Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a quick look at the eufy Security SmartTrack Card.
And Eufy sent us this for the review.
Here we go. So what this is, it's a little card that you can put in your wallet or your passport or your laptop or your luggage, and it keeps track of your stuff.
There's not a lot in the box.
Nope. And here it is. It's just a little card. It's nice because it's flat, so it's great for your wallet. It's pretty thin.
Yeah, it's definitely thin. So it's like a credit card thin. Look, you can see how thin it is.
Ooh.
And it has a little button on it too. Look.
Neat. Oh, and it's got like a little magnetic clip, so you can clip it on something.
Yeah, so if you don't want to put it inside your wallet or whatever else, and you do want to clip it on, this sticker comes off and it just sticks onto the back, and then you clip it on.
Neat.
And it's
Comes
easy.
with a quick start guide.
And it's easy to install. And this, by the way, works with both the iOS Find My app, right, which you would normally get on your iPhone, and it works with the eufy Security app. So either way, in fact, I've already installed this, and it works with both, which is kind of cool. So you can be either in the eufy app or using Find My on your phone. And that's it.
That's
really
really neat.
thin.
It's super thin. Is there a battery in here?
There's a little battery in there, yeah.
Oh, it must be really small. Yeah, this is really nice. Yeah, this is great because there's a lot of things that you want to have a nice little flat thing.
Well, especially like us guys with wallets that we put in our pocket. Being able to put that in there.
Wallets too.
Yeah, but do you put your wallet in the pocket?
No, but
Oh, okay.
I might still want to put it in my wallet or my passport. I think that's a great idea.
Yeah. I think the passport's probably even better. Right?
So that's really cool.
Well, whatever your use case is, having something thin like this gives you other options for Find My. I think that's the thing I really like about this. Thank you.
Thank you.